In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your logo in Calendly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your scheduling pages look polished and on brand. Let's get started inside your Calendly account. First, make sure you're logged in and you're on your main Calendly dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a small circle with your initials or a generic avatar. Click on that profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu that gives you access to your account-related settings. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Branding. This is where Calendly lets you control how your booking pages look and feel, including your logo. Go ahead and click on Branding. You'll be taken to a page dedicated to your personal branding settings. On the branding page, you should see a section for your logo. There will be a button or link that says Upload Image. Click on Upload Image. This will open a file picker window from your computer. Now, choose the logo file you want to use. For the best results, pick a clear, high-quality image, ideally in PNG or JPEG format. A version with a transparent background often looks more professional, especially against Calendly's interface. Select the file, then confirm the upload in your file picker. Once the file is uploaded, Calendly will usually show you a preview of how your logo will appear. Take a moment to check that it's not blurry, cut off, or stretched. If something doesn't look right, you can cancel or remove it and repeat the upload with a better sized image. When you're happy with how your logo looks in the preview, don't forget the most important part, saving your changes. Look for the Save Changes button on the branding page. Click Save Changes to apply the new logo to your account. If you skip this step, Calendly won't keep your new logo, so make sure you see some confirmation that your settings have been updated. To double check everything worked, you can open one of your scheduling links in a new tab or window and see your logo displayed there. That's it. You've successfully added your logo in Calendly, and your booking pages now better reflect your brand.